What if I told you there's a secret about money that millionaires rarely talk about? It's not just about working harder, saving more, or even being smarter. It's about knowing how to play a completely different game, one that most people don't even realize exists. If you've ever felt stuck, like no matter how much you try, financial freedom seems out of reach, you're not alone. The truth is, millions of people are working tirelessly, but missing the key principles that wealthy individuals live by every single day. Today, I'm going to reveal the 7 secrets that millionaires use to build and protect their wealth, secrets they often keep to themselves. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what they are, but you'll also have practical steps to start applying them in your own life. So, if you're ready to discover what's been holding you back and unlock the potential for financial freedom, stay with me. You won't want to miss this. Most people approach money with one goal in mind: earning more. They think, if I just work harder or get a raise, I'll be financially secure. But millionaires don't see money that way. They understand that true wealth doesn't come from how much you earn. It comes from how much you grow. They think like investors, not earners. When they receive money, they don't immediately look for ways to spend it. They ask, how can this money work for me? For example, instead of seeing $1,000 as a way to buy something, they see it as seed money that could grow into $10,000 or more through investments, whether in stocks, real estate, or businesses. They focus on multiplying, not just adding to their wealth. And here's the secret. You don't need millions to start thinking like an investor. Even if you're starting small, the mindset is what matters. Take a portion of what you earn, no matter how little, and find ways to grow it. This could mean investing in index funds, learning about real estate, or even building a side hustle that generates passive income. The moment you shift your mindset from how much can I earn to how much can I grow, you'll start seeing money as a tool for freedom rather than just survival. Millionaires know this, and now, so do you. One of the most powerful secrets millionaires understand is that wealth is rarely built alone. While most people focus on individual success, the wealthy know that relationships are the real currency of abundance. They surround themselves with people who inspire, challenge, and open doors to new opportunities. Think about this. If you're constantly surrounded by those who see limitations, you'll start to believe in them too. But when you connect with individuals who think big, take risks, and value growth, their energy becomes contagious. For millionaires, relationships aren't just social connections, they're investments. They understand the value of mentorship, partnerships, and even casual conversations with the right people. A single introduction can lead to a business idea, a funding opportunity, or a life-changing collaboration. And this isn't about using people. It's about genuinely building mutually beneficial connections. If you want to tap into this power, start by asking yourself, who are you spending your time with? Are they helping you grow or keeping you stuck? Then, make an intentional effort to connect with people who align with the future you want. This could mean joining networking groups, attending events, or even reaching out online to someone you admire. Remember, you don't need to know everyone. You just need the right people in your corner. Millionaires understand that wealth flows through relationships, and now it's time for you to start building your network with purpose. A common mistake people make is treating money as the ultimate goal, but millionaires know better. They understand that money is just a tool, a means to an end, not the end itself. Think of it this way. A hammer is useless if it just sits in a toolbox, but when you use it to build something, its value becomes clear. The same is true for money. It's not about how much you have sitting in the bank. It's about what you do with it. Millionaires don't hoard money out of fear. They use it strategically to create freedom, opportunities, and experiences. They invest in things that matter, like starting businesses, building assets, or even buying back their time by outsourcing tasks they don't need to do. For them, money isn't just numbers on a screen. It's a resource they use to design their ideal life. And here's the key. When you shift your mindset from how much money can I make to how can I use money to build the life I want, everything changes. Take a moment to think about this for yourself. What is it that you truly want? Is it financial freedom, more time with family, or the ability to travel? Write it down and start viewing money as the tool that can make those goals a reality. Millionaires know that money is only as valuable as what you do with it, and that's the shift you need to make to unlock your own abundance. Millionaires know that relying solely on effort and motivation is a recipe for burnout. What really differentiates them is the use of systems. They create processes that work consistently, regardless of how they feel or how much time they have in the day. While most people are stuck in a cycle of manual, repetitive work, millionaires seek to automate, simplify, and structure their finances and businesses so that their money works for them, not the other way around. For example, they automate investments and savings, ensuring that a portion of your income is always growing without you having to think about it. They also build businesses that can operate with clear processes, allowing them to focus on strategic decisions, not day-to-day tasks. A well-constructed system creates freedom because it eliminates the burden of relying solely on willpower or memory. And the best thing is that you don't have to be rich to start using the power of the systems. A simple change like setting up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account every month gets you on the right track. Or think about how you can create a daily routine that takes you closer to your goals, like setting aside 30 minutes a day to learn about investing or planning a project that could generate extra income. The secret is not to work harder, it's about working smarter. When you build systems that work consistently, you begin to create a steady stream of growth. And that's exactly what millionaires do to ensure their wealth keeps increasing. For millionaires, time is the most valuable resource there is. They understand that, unlike money, time can never be recovered. That's why they're obsessed with using it strategically and efficiently. While most people spend hours on tasks that generate little return, millionaires focus on high-impact activities, those that really make a difference to their financial and personal results. They know that saying yes to everything means, in practice, saying no to what matters. One of the most powerful ways to make the most of their time is by delegating tasks that don't need to be done by them. If something doesn't require their unique skills, they hire someone to take care of it, freeing up their time to focus on growth, innovation, and strategic decisions. For example, they hire assistants, automate processes, and even outsource menial tasks because they know that their time is better invested in activities that generate value. You can start doing this too, even if in a simple way. Make a list of all your daily tasks and identify those that take up your time but don't help you reach your goals. Then, find ways to delegate, simplify, or even eliminate these activities. The secret is not to do more, but to do better. Millionaires know that time is limited, and by prioritizing what really matters, they create much greater results in fewer hours. Use your time like them, and you will start to see a transformation in your productivity and results. Millionaires understand something that most people avoid. Risk is inevitable, but when managed wisely, it is also the path to great rewards. While many see risk as scary, they see it as an opportunity for growth. The difference is in the way they deal with it. They do not take risks impulsively. They study, plan, and make calculated decisions. For example, before investing in a business or a new market, they evaluate the possible results and create strategies to minimize losses while maximizing gains. The fear of taking risks is what keeps many people stuck in their comfort zone, where growth is limited. But millionaires know that, to achieve something extraordinary, you have to get out of that zone and accept the discomfort that risk brings. Think of names like Elon Musk, who bet everything he had on ideas that seemed impossible to most people, but which today have transformed entire industries. He didn't bet blindly, he calculated every step. You don't have to go all in at once, but you can start by taking small risks. This could mean investing in a business idea, learning a new skill that opens doors, or even changing the way you handle money. The important thing is to remember that risk is part of the growth process. Millionaires are not afraid of making mistakes, because they know that each attempt takes them closer to success. When you stop shying away from risk and start seeing it as a tool for evolution, you'll be on your way to creating something bigger than you thought possible. The abundance mindset is what really separates millionaires from the rest of the world. They deeply believe that there are enough resources, opportunities, and wealth for everyone, and this belief shapes every decision they make. While most are focused on lack, thinking about what they don't have or what they could lose, millionaires choose to see possibilities and act as if prosperity were already a reality in their lives. This mindset is not just optimism. It's a powerful strategy that influences how they see the world and, more importantly, how they attract positive outcomes. Think about it. Your mind is like a magnet. If you constantly think about scarcity, like I don't have enough money or things never work out for me, you attract more reasons to stay in that state. But by focusing on abundance, you begin to see solutions and opportunities that previously went unnoticed. This mental shift doesn't happen by accident. Millionaires actively cultivate an abundance mindset. They view their goals as already achieved, constantly affirm that they are capable and worthy of wealth, and surround themselves with people who share this positive thinking. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. You can start doing this today. Take a few minutes out of your day to imagine your ideal life in detail, what you are doing, where you are living, and how you feel about your prosperity. Then use powerful affirmations, such as I am worthy of abundance or prosperity flows to me with ease. And most of all, remember that abundance isn't just about money. It's about living with a sense of fulfillment and confidence that the best is always yet to come. Millionaires understand that you need to think like a prosperous person before you can become prosperous. Now that you know this, the next decision is yours. Will you remain stuck in the scarcity mentality, or will you open the doors for abundance to enter your life? Now that you've discovered the secrets that millionaires rarely share, the question is, what will you do with this knowledge? Each of the 7 points we talked about today, thinking like an investor, valuing relationships, using money as a tool, creating systems, leveraging time, accepting risk, and adopting an abundance mindset, are not just concepts. They are actions you can start implementing in your life today. What differentiates those who achieve financial freedom from those who stand still is the ability to take action, even if the first step seems small. Remember, millionaires don't have superpowers. They started right where you are now, facing doubts and challenges. The difference is in the way they decided to think and act. The abundance you desire is already within your reach, but it's up to you to make the right choices to attract it. Don't wait for the perfect moment to arrive. Every day that passes is a wasted opportunity to transform your life. If something you heard today resonated with you, start applying it immediately. Choose a secret and implement it now. And if you are committed to changing your mindset and achieving the success you deserve, like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to the channel to continue learning more about how to attract prosperity. Your future starts with the decisions you make today. Are you ready to create the life you've always dreamed of? So, take the first step.